Hello Brainies, welcome to Brainy Sprouts. I know this cold weather is irritating your immune system quite a lot and making it harder for us to fight off the infections. But don't worry, here is the medicine. So today we're gonna make an ancient, holy, absolute, delicious, warm and cozy drink called golden milk or turmeric milk. This milk is loaded with powerful healing properties which include boosting immunity and healing moods, whatnot. This milk have antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties too. This is one of the best homemade medicinal drink you can make at home when you're down. Now people are using it as a daily drink to boost their immunity and detox their body. So let's not waste our time and jump right into our recipe. Turmeric, which we use in almost every Indian curries. The main active component in turmeric is curcumin. It have many antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps in cell damage and fights off infections. Same as turmeric, cinnamon and ginger exhibit similar properties. Some studies have showed that they both may lower the blood sugar levels in our body. Before start our preparation, let's know what most people don't. Curcumin, the active component in turmeric, is poorly absorbed in the body when taken alone. In order to increase its benefits, we need to add some black pepper and some fat. Studies have shown that pepperine in pepper boosts the absorption of the turmeric in the body. Turmeric is a fat soluble, and so when taken with fats such as ghee, coconut milk or almond milk or butter, helps better absorption of turmeric. Let's start the preparation now. I'm using a whole glass of milk. People prefer plant-based milk mostly, almond milk or coconut milk, but I'm using full fat A2 organic milk along with ghee. Now goes the turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom. I used it as a flavoring agent. You can skip it if you don't want it. I'm using 4 slices of ginger, half a teaspoon of ghee. This is the main fat component in our milk. You can use either virgin coconut oil or butter as a replacement. Now let's quickly mix it up. There you go. Let's switch on the flame and simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add pepper a few seconds before you switch off the flame. Use only freshly grounded one to get the most of its benefits. Cooking in clay pot helps maintain the nutritional value and quality of the food prepared. Hola! Our turmeric milk is ready to serve. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey as a sweetener. Mix it well and enjoy your cozy and warm drink. Look at the color and the texture. Oh wow, it's absolutely delicious. Enjoy this warm and cozy health drink with your loved ones in this cold weather. If you like my video and want me to do more such videos, please comment down below. Your feedback is most welcome to help me grow in this whole world of YouTubing. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. See you soon. Brainy Sprouts signing off.